Hi, I'm Abigail. I'm one of MLP Princess Rule's newest pets, and earlier today, MLP Princess Rule made a drawing of me. Yeah, it's really good. So yeah, I'll go get it. Come on, Janessa. Come. I'm on my bed right now, so yeah, sorry. Okay. So, she messed up on the back, so I'm gonna show you the mess up side first because it's saving the best for last. Yeah. Okay. So that was the mess up. She did the wrong color here, and then she tried to get rid of it, but she couldn't. So, yeah. Now I'll show you the good. Okay. Yeah. This is really good. It's like beyond good. It's not quite done. She needs to finish the wall and the floor, but other than that, it's done. Yeah. So, here it is. Yeah. Yeah. So this is my drawing of this kitty. Yeah, and I made her have a really long tail and a different pose. And then, welcome to Abby's room. And I put trophy, and this says cutest cat. It's a trophy. And then we put that. Yeah. That. And then that blue thing right there, that's supposed to be the edge of the litter box. And then there's a little mouse toy, and then a ball of yarn. It's green. And then the food and water, and the dishes say Abigail on them. It has this dresser. It says crowns, sunglasses, skirts, shoes, hats, ribbons, collars, and so that's the totally awesome drawing. I hope you like it. Comment, rate, favorite, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.